Okay, so that's fantastic. That's the marketplace that you can see when you go to that website. Now, I've just finished building a new dashboard. I love dashboards for some reason. So let me just show you a dashboard here. So uh, just sharing my screen. So you can actually see that there's 972 or a little bit more apps deployed. So have a look at that. Okay, so this data is a little bit out of date, like an hour old. But what we're doing here is actually going through and look. I built a dashboard that sort of pulls a lot of this data in. As you saw, you can sort of scroll endlessly through a mobile base Mini App Factory app and see the app icons. But I wanted to see more information, more data. So I built a dashboard, and here it is. So you can actually see how much effort people are putting in. This person's put 88 prompts. So they've sat there, come up with a prompt, talk to the AI, and then hit the update app button, and they push that through. So it's fantastic that they're able to do that. And then what they built is this. So they built a little snakes game. So let me just restart. And yeah, basically you just use these controls, and they built a simple game here. It's pretty cool. I just want to get one of there we go. So you can sort of nibble on the snakes and not hit the walls. And they basically programmed in all the features of Snake. So pretty good example. So just going back to the factory checker, and you can view all of these if you want to click the icon. I'll just drop it in the chat so you guys can actually just look at it as well in the background. So it's called Factory Checker. I just built it before this call, and yeah, it's a good way to just figure out some app ideas that people are building. The other one we can look at. I wanted to. There was one called BTC Checker, but let's see if they've got this one working. Yeah, I'll just keep looking around. So we can see here that you can see screenshots here. So we can sort by screenshot as well, just to make sure that they've got an app built. And there's lots of cool little apps. So a little like a poker machine, if that's a thing. But basically it's like a little gambling machine where it pops up and you got to get 3 in a row. There's people building lots of cool things. So little quiz games. This one, Edge, is a strategic card game. I did see a tarot reader game before as well. This one's a 2048 game. And there's lots of cool little games that people are starting to build. A lot of games, actually. There's obviously quizzes. There's lots of games. This one's a good one. So Pong. So I know this works. So I was playing it before. So you just start game and push the up and down like this, and everything works. So they obviously sat there talking to the AI and building the game out. So very cool stuff. I'll go back to back here. But yeah, there's literally nearly 1,000 apps deployed. I've got one more thing before we wrap up as well. I forgot to show you. It is important. So you might be sitting there confused. How did this guy make this app? You can actually see all the prompts. This is all open source. So it's all on the GitHub open source repository, and I've just organized it. So this, is that Filipino? I don't know. But yeah. So yeah, basically this person built a slot machine, and they're able to create that. Some of the other ones, like let's have a look at Pong, if I can find it. Just quick one. Yeah, here it is. So you go there, you click the prompts. Obviously, it looks like this. But yeah, there is a Pong prompt. And this person sort of laid it out a little bit better, which is good. Very simple. It's not too complex. So maybe this is a good way to do it. Have a look at the prompt that this person made. This is a community like app deployment store. So you guys can learn off each other. It's all open source. You can see the code if you want, but yeah, look at the prompt. And this is a really good example of breaking it down by category, but still keeping it pretty simple. Added everything in one go, and doesn't look like they made any other prompts. It says here, 4 prompts. So maybe he did a prompt, reverted back, did another one a couple of times, and then got it working with that one prompt. So yeah, have a look at that if you get stuck. I know that a lot of people might be a bit confused and a bit overwhelmed. Have a look at all the apps that are out there at the link I just dropped. Have a look at the prompts they use to make the app, and yeah, go for it. You can build it yourself. All right, thanks, guys.